Do you have customers who place a high number of notices? Chances are they would prefer to pay one monthly invoice instead of paying for all their ads individually. Here's how you can give them that option. In column as the publisher, first go to My Organization and select Customers. On the customer organization or an individual customer, select the customer whom you want to let pay one monthly invoice. Scroll down and allow bulk invoicing for that customer. Here's what happens when you do this. On the first of each month, the customer will receive a sample email new invoice via column, which shows the bulk invoice containing all of the notices they've placed in the last month, which are still unpaid. You can see what this looks like on your own account by clicking on the Invoices tab. Here, you have a list of all the bulk invoices that have been generated for your customers. On each bulk invoice, you can take a couple actions. First, you can process payment for your customer by clicking into the invoice and selecting Process Card. Here, you can enter payment information, and you'll see the same invoice that the customer sees, which includes a PDF of all of the records of notices included in the bulk invoice. You also have the option to process payment by marking the invoice as paid directly if the customer happened to pay you directly. If the invoice happens to be overdue or you want to send a reminder, you can click on the message icon to send a reminder to your customers that it's time to pay. What happens then is the customer will receive a reminder bulk invoice due email, letting them know that the invoice is available to pay, as well as the due date for the bulk invoice. Lastly, you can also download the PDF here, which will include the record of all notices for that bulk invoice. Rest assured that once a bulk invoice is paid, both you and the customer will receive a final payment confirmation email saying that this bulk invoice payment has been confirmed. Here's an example of the monthly invoice paid by advertiser confirmation email. And one final reminder, when you do turn on bulk invoicing for a customer, they will still have the option to pay for notices individually throughout the month. Their activity will be indicated and updated on the balance due each month. This feature gives you and your high volume customers more flexibility when it comes to making payments.